With the start of online maps portal, the user will no longer required to visit the Survey of India map sale offices, and they can easily purchase and download product of online at their doorstep. This online portal with rich repository of maps and functionalities for easy use has integrated digital payment facility through Bharat Kosh payment gateway of Government of India. Any user with a valid mobile number can easily get registered and avail the services through the portal. All PDF maps have also been made available for free download through this portal, as while available through Survey of India Manchitra portal, making it a single window for all Survey of India maps and data products for all citizens.
It is for the first time that the data which is collected by the government, starting of course from the Survey of India and NetMo, becomes rather easily and freely available to the citizens and the organizations in India to be able to make use of this very valuable data. And so what we are doing today is actually the huge giant step in that particular direction of democratizing the data. And so this portal, of course, what it should be doing, that it must have ease of access, it must have transparency.
Today I am very glad on the launch of the online facility developed by Survey of India to make their maps and geospatial data available to one and all. In fact, I am very glad to be a part of these exciting times when so many things are happening in the Indian geospatial sector. Now anybody using this portal can access that data, can get this data online on the click of a mouse. All the private entities, all the enterprises, they will be able to access their data on a fair price, and the ease of access, the transparency of the entire process, that we expect to give a boost to the creativity of the bright minds amongst the youth of this nation. So that is what will be unleashed by this small initiative of Survey of India.